So when the tasks right here are auto-scheduled, what happens is that the dates that you see are validated. For example, if I were to go around over here onto the budgeting section right here, if I were to go around and select out, let's say for example, a different date, then I can right here. And the 40 days is calculated just like this. But if I were to go around and type in, let's say for example, decide later right here, just like this, and press enter, it says the date you entered isn't supported for this field right here. So you need to go around and select out a specific date itself or enter it out in date format. But if I were to go around over here and select manually scheduled, then you can see that this bar is turns into something else, denoting that it is manually scheduled. And now over here, I'm just going to go around and say decide later. And that becomes valid over here as well, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and say decide later for this one as well. And you can see that this is the manually scheduled bar right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z because we have set it to 40 days right here. You can see the scale right here, which is a 44 days, just like this. You can go around over here and type in, let's say 20 days, and there you go. There's the 20 days right here, 100 days, and it gets aligned out right here. But you can go around and change out the date later on, and you can see that this is how it works right here. And that is how you can go around and see the manual scheduling just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and manually schedule out tasks inside of Microsoft Project as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.